Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cyber with Umair. In this video, I will show you how to create a multi-bootable USB using Ventoy. With this method, you can keep multiple operating systems on a single USB drive and boot any of them whenever you need. Let's get started. First, you will need a USB drive with at least 32 GB of storage. I am using a 128 GB USB. If you are wondering what a multi-bootable USB is, it's simply a USB drive that can store multiple operating system files. For example, instead of carrying a separate USB drive for Windows 11, Windows 10, Kali Linux or other operating system, you can keep all of them on a single USB and choose which one to boot. So step 1, download the required file. Open your browser and search for Internet Archive. Open the first website. Search for Cyber with Umair. Then go to the ISO image sections. I will also leave the direct link in the description. Here you can see there are many ISO files here. First, download the Ventoy zip file, which we will use to create the multi-bootable USB. After that, download the ISO file you want to use, such as Windows 11, Windows 10, Kali Linux or any other operating system. I am downloading the all. As you can see, all the required files are downloading. Once the downloads are complete, extract the Ventoy zip file. Open the extracted folder and run Ventoy to disk. Select your USB drive. Make sure your USB doesn't contain any important data because it will be completely formatted during this process. Click install. Confirm the warning by typing yes and wait for installation to finish. Now simply copy and paste all the ISO files you downloaded on the USB drive. That's all you need to do. You do not have to flash each ISO separately. I am copying all of my ISO files now. Wait until the copying process is complete. Once it's finished, your multi-bootable USB is ready to use. Here you can see now all the files are copied in our USB. So let's see our USB is working or not. First, shut down your computer and insert the USB drive. Turn on your laptop and press the boot menu key or recovery key. The key depends on your laptop's model. For example, for my HP laptop, the boot menu key is F12. For other laptops, you can search your laptop model on Google to find the correct key. Now go to use a device and select your USB. Wait a few seconds and Ventoy will open. Here you will see all the ISO files stored on your USB. simply select the operating system you want to install. For this demonstration, I will choose Windows 11. The Windows setup will start normally. I am not going to continue because Windows 11 is already installed on my computer. I have already uploaded a complete Windows installation tutorial, so you can watch it if you need helping installing Windows. As you can see, I am currently using a dual boot system with Windows 11 and Kali Linux. I will also make a separate video showing you how to create a dual boot system. That's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future cybersecurity and tech tutorial. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.